Hello, friend. Now, let's start a new topic. How do ledgers work? Each entry has a debit side and a credit side recorded in the general ledger. Assets accounts increase when debited and decrease when credited. Conversely, liabilities and equity increase when credited and decrease when debited. The general ledger, however, has the record for both halves of the entry. Now, what is general ledger format? A general ledger account is an account or record used to sort, store and summarize a company's transactions. These accounts are arranged in the general ledger and in the chart of accounts with the balance sheet accounts appearing first, followed by the income statement accounts. Now, what is ledger and its advantages? Ledger has made it possible to analyze the total incomes and expenses of a business for a particular period, trading and profit and loss account by opening separate accounts for various assets and liabilities. It is also possible to see the financial position of a business. Now, what are the features of ledger? Ledger never creates or modifies your data. The amount of data required by ledger is minimal. Ledger is a double entry accounting tool, meaning that all entries must balance. Ledger is 100% currency agnostic. Ledger is international. Ledger uses a simple set of base commands which can be extended in countless ways. Now, next question is, how do you balance ledger? Balancing a general ledger involves subtracting the total debits from the total credits. All debit accounts are meant to be entered on the left side of a ledger, while the credits on the right side. For a general ledger to be balanced, credits and debits must be equal. Now, does ledger balance mean I earn money? A ledger balance is computed by a bank at the end of each business day and includes all withdrawals and deposits to calculate the total amount of money in a bank account. The ledger balance is also often referred to as the current balance and is different than the available balance in an account. Now, how do you keep a personal ledger? Number 1, record the date of the transaction in the first column. Number 2, record a description of the transaction to the right of the date in the same row. Number 3, determine if the item recorded is a credit or a debit. Number 4, determine an accounting period to balance the ledger. Example, monthly. Now, next question is, what is a GL account code? A general ledger code is a unique shorthand code or number given to each account in the chart of accounts within the finance system. The GL code is what systems like support ability used to categorize revenue data, example invoices, and attach it to an account before it is exported for the finance system. Now, how do you use a general ledger? The line items are called ledger entries. Transfer the debits and credit amounts from the journal to the ledger account. After posting entries to the general ledger, calculate the balance of each account. Calculate the balance of an asset or expense account by subtracting the total credits from the total debits. Now, what is private ledger? A ledger that is used to keep the accounts relating to the directors and possibly other highly confidential accounts. Generally, access to the private ledger is restricted to certain authorized personnel. Now, what are the rules of posting in ledger? Entries must be posted from the daybooks or journal only. Posting of the entries must be date-wise. Date of entry in daybooks must be the date of entry in ledger. All amounts shown in debit side in journal must be posted in debit side of a particular account.